I am looking at a Coachella puzzle. My son Gregory II and his girlfriend Olivia went to the 2018 Coachella concert and they got this Coachella puzzle. So they gave it to me. So now I'm going to put it together. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to take the puzzle out the box. Here's the puzzle. Okay. Open up. Take the pieces out. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out all the edges and separate. So I'm going to take out all the edges, and then the ones that are not edges I'll just put on this side. Now I have separated my puzzle pieces. I have my edges here and then the other puzzle pieces here. So what I'm going to do now is put these edges together. I see I have the pink. I'll separate from the yellow. And then I'll start putting my edges together. I am still working on the frame. As you can see, I have some of it completed. So when I come back, I'll show you the completed frame. I have completed the puzzle frame. So this is the puzzle frame. So now I have my pieces over here. I'm going to go and pull out, I'll say most of my yellows. I'll start with my yellows. So I'm going to separate and take all my yellows out. And then I'm going to come back. Okay, now I separated my yellow pieces and then I have my pink pieces up here. And what I noticed too is I found letters. So I have this C, O, and I believe this is part of the puzzle, but it's going to spell out Coachella. So this is interesting. I have these letters. I don't know where the E is, but then I have the L. Then I found another A. Oh, here's the E. So here we have Coachella. That is so awesome. Okay, so that's going to fit in this puzzle somewhere. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put some of these yellow pieces in with the puzzle and get some of it completed, and I'll be back. Working on a Coachella puzzle, I really did not know what to expect, but I like it. It's a little challenging. The pieces are a little shaped different, but it's coming along. I put in most of the yellow pieces, which looks like exotic birds, and it's coming along nicely. The Coachella word, it's going to fit somewhere in this puzzle. That'll be interesting to see. So I'm going to go ahead and pull some more pieces where they fit on the puzzle and show you my progress, and I will be back. More of the puzzle is completed. I still have some pieces I have to put in. Still have the Coachella word, but it's coming along. I just wanted you to see my progress, and I'm going to continue, and I'll be back. I have completed more of the puzzle, and I wanted to show that I know where the Coachella word will go, because the A will go here, and the C will go here. I guess the A will go on this side, yeah. Okay, and it's going to go down. So I will show you the completed puzzle. I will be back. I have completed the 2018 Coachella puzzle. Thanks for watching.